Solid Edge continues to deliver enhanced workflows promoting greater performance and increased productivity. Here we have the world's first contactless robot bar, designed and manufactured by Solid Edge startup customer Yanu. Introducing a fresh, modern user interface which is consistent across all Siemens software products, all commands and environments have been refreshed and now provide an easier to use, modern, clean look and feel, but still at the core, the Solid Edge you know and love. The Context toolbar now has expanded capabilities in the part, sheet metal, and assembly environments, providing high-frequency, object-specific commands at the tip of the user's cursor, improving productivity. Focusing on the robot arm, we'll complete the new design of a glass holder. The material addition and removal workflows have now been combined into one single command. Also new is the introduction of the automatic regions in ordered sketches. This speeds the process of sketching as it eliminates the need to trim sketch elements and project face edges. Closed areas are simply found automatically, as can be seen here, as we add and remove material with a single extrude command. Also notice the Context toolbar delivering all commands at your fingertips. Changing an extruded feature to a cut couldn't be any simpler. Just edit the feature and change the options. When adding features, the spacebar can also be used as a quick toggle to switch between add and remove. Solid Edge speeds up the process of direct editing in an ordered model by introducing synchronous capabilities in the move, rotate, and offset face commands. Here, the steering wheel is used to easily define the move and rotate directions, and design intent rules can be used to control the movement of the other faces in the model. We can see this as we adjust these two cylindrical faces and toggle the concentric option off and on. One final alteration on this part is to add an angle to the side face by using the rotate command. The enhanced workflow makes this a breeze. Since this is an ordered model, the move and rotate features are captured in the Pathfinder and can easily be edited later. The hole feature capabilities have also been extended and now have support for standard fit class tolerances for hole, countersink, counterbore type holes. These conform to ANSI, ISO, and DIN standards. Support for unit tolerance has also been added, as well as a new library of high-quality face styles which consist of many common categories containing thousands of different styles, ranging from additive manufacturing, coatings, fabrics, plastics, metals, and many more. They can simply be dragged and dropped onto the desired parts to easily add realism to any design. There have also been improvements to assembly features with the addition of new commands such as subtract, slot, union, and swept cutout. In this case, we'll add a swept cut to document a routed path through two wooden plinths at the top of the design. The workflow is the same as in the part environment, but with the additional step of choosing the parts to cut. Finally, there are new workflows to easily explore and visualize the internal components of any design with a new Visual Explode command. Simply drag the slider bar to dynamically explode the parts on screen, then drag it back to collapse the parts back into place. There is also a stepwise option which intelligently explodes the subassemblies in sequence and provides additional ways to visualize the design. Solid Edge continues at the forefront of 3D CAD and remains ahead of the curve thanks to increased core CAD performance, new and improved workflows promoting productivity gains, and the continuous implementation of user-requested features and functions.